Hi, Wesley the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can bring the modern day technology from your iPhone through your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input or any modification. You simply get my gadget from iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, iPhone-FM-transmitter.com. This gadget will allow you to integrate your new iPhone through your older car radio. It will allow you to stream your music as well as talk hands-free and integrate GPS function all through your older car radio without any sort of modification. Let me show you how it's done. You simply get my device from iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, plug in this device. Actually, let me show you how the streaming music will work. We'll go to iHeartRadio and choose what you want to hear and play the music. You can hear that the music, this is what it sounds like right through the iPhone right now. So now we're going to plug in this device and turn on the car radio. All you have to do is set the car radio to 87.9. As indicated over here, we have this old car that still have a cassette player. You can hear that right now there's a lot of static, and we're going to plug in this device. Now I'm going to show you how the GPS will work. So you simply go to your Google Map or go to your Map app and choose the destination that you want to go to. And hit start. And now we're ready to go. So we'll put the phone over here and then we'll take off. You can hear that the music's consistent, loud and clear. Even though we're in the rush hour traffic, there's no static nor distortion. Now we're gonna make the GPS work. Now you can see the traffic is actually pretty busy, but the music is consistent, loud and clear.